Number 1. Large storage space, 2-door design space, saving mini fridge. This compact refrigerator has large 1 cubic foot fresh food capacity, give you the space to keep foods fresh. 9 cubic feet freezer capacity, give you the storage to store frozen foods. The internal space of the fridge is spacious and can store your food and drinks in an organized manner. Whisper quiet, the powerful fridge compressor not only makes the refrigeration effect good, but also quieter. The sound of this refrigerator working as quiet as when turning a book, which ensures that it will not disturb your work and rest. Low noise design allows you to enjoy a quiet life and good sleep. Number 2. Euhomy, the perfect combination of fridge freezer. Euhomy Mini Fridge with Freezer combines the advantages of freezer to design. The dorm fridge with freezer 2-door. Mini Fridge has 2 storage zone at the same time. 96 cubic feet of freezer zone can be used to store ice cream or frozen food. 24 cubic feet of fridge zone can be used to preserve fresh fruits, vegetables or refrigerated drinks. When you buy a small fridge, it is equivalent to buying a fridge and a freezer at the same time. Number 3. The sleek modern design. Available in black, stainless steel, and white, is perfect for college dorm rooms, offices, garages, home, bars, small apartments and RV campers. The 2 removable glass shelves expand the storage space and makes the fridge easy to clean. Additional door storage fits 6 12-ounce cans like soda and beer, small containers on the top shelf, and 2-liter door storage for taller bottles. Number 4. Retro compact refrigerator uses our 600 a high efficiency, low energy consumption compressor. It can cool food quickly with lower energy. Leveling legs can adjust feet and keep level placement anywhere. Glass shelves can separate your different types of food. A removable slide-out glass shelf provides more ways to organize your storage needs. Galanz refrigerator can be controlled manually with a control dial from cool to cold to coldest. You can turn the knob to set the temperature you want. Number 5. Your purchase includes 1 single-door mini fridge with freezer in purple color. Fridge dimensions: reversible door makes it easy to fit this in any spot of your room. Compressor cooling for ultimate performance, even in hot weather. Adjustable thermostat: adjustable lever feet offers the ultimate in versatility.